Are you tired of sharing your screen on Discord only to have your friends hear nothing? Learn how to stream YouTube with audio in 4 simple steps. First, make sure you're in Discord and join to a voice channel. Then I'll show you exactly which settings to use so the audio works every time.
First, go ahead and open Discord if you haven't already. Then, join a voice channel in your Discord server so you can start streaming. Now, click the Share Your Screen icon. It looks like a monitor. Select the Applications tab at the top. Choose the browser window with YouTube open. Make sure Also Share Application Audio is checked, and then click Go Live. And that's how to stream YouTube on Discord. Your viewers should now be able to watch the video with both the visuals and audio. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.